Hello and welcome to your Renew journey. My name is Amina. I'll be the lead pharmacist throughout your journey. In this video, we will show you what to expect with your first steps, the delivery of your medication, how to take your medication safely and effectively, and how to properly store your medication. This medication is what's called a GLP-1 agonist. It works by reducing the feelings of hunger. It does this by increasing the feeling of fullness, which is known as satiety, by helping your body make more of the hormone responsible for feeling full. While this will help with the reduction of overall calorie intake, we want to help you reach the holistic health goals of the healthy lifestyle that suits you. Led by our team of healthcare professionals, we will help you reach your nutritional, psychological, and physiological goals that will help you achieve the sustainable and beneficial lifestyle that you desire. Now, on to what you will receive from your order. In your first order, you will receive your Wegovy pen, a leaflet with a QR code to access the online tools, and a guide on the essential information of the medication. Your medication will arrive in a temperature-controlled packaging. This is important as the medication needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees to work properly. Now that you know what you will be receiving, what your Wegovy pens are, and how to safely store your pens, let's review how to take your medication. In order for it to work effectively, Wegovy must be administered subcutaneously. This means under the skin, not in the vein or the muscle. Ideally, you would be injecting into either the upper arm, the abdomen, or the thigh or the upper leg. You can swap injection sites to find the easiest one for you, and ideally, you should swap sites every week. Now that you know where to inject, let us go through preparing the pen, injecting the medication, and disposing of the needles. This can be split into a 5-step process. So step 1, prepare your pen. Wash your hands. Check that the pen states that it is Wegovy, especially important if you take more than one medication, and ensure that the medication is within date and not damaged in any way. Check the dosage counter to make sure that the pen still has doses left to use. Step 2, choose your injection site, so you can choose from either your upper arm, your stomach, or your thigh. You may choose to use the site that's most comfortable to you, but ensure that you vary where it is administered each week. So for example, swap your leg, your arm, or the area of your stomach. It's important to avoid injecting into stretch marks, damaged skin, or scars. Step 3, remove the cap pen. Step 4, inject the dose. Press the pen into your skin. You will hear 2 clicks. The first will indicate the dose has started being administered. The second will indicate it's still being administered. Wait until the yellow bar has stopped moving after the second click before removing the pen. Step 5, after the injection, replace the cap, dispose of the needle in a sharp spin. If there's any bleeding around the site, administer gauze until bleeding stops. And there you have it. All you need to know about how to take your medication safely and effectively. It's important to take the medication as prescribed to receive the results that are expected. 15 to 20% weight loss in 6 months. Everyone here at the Renew team wishes you the best of success in this exciting journey you're now part of.